Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in less than 1 minute, so I will pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back as soon as I find a potential opportunity. Have an order at 34 here for a call option, so I am looking to do options. If you don't know what options are, just comment below option guide, and I will link you to a free class I put together called The Big Basics of Options. I'm actually going to cancel that out. I think I can get a better entry point. Let's go to 31.50. But like I said, comment below option guide, and I will link you to free class. Go over the terminologies, how they work. I know options can sometimes be intimidating. They don't need to be that way though. I approach them in more of a simple way. So if that's how you like to approach things in simplified ways, then I'm confident you can get value out of that guide. So what I'm watching is this number, right? Well, I'm trying to buy at 31.50. So I want to see that number drop down to 31.50 and then go slightly below. And then this white order over here would turn green. Green means that I was able to buy. So that is how my screen is working. I will pause for now and I'll keep a close eye on it. Have an order at 35 here. Well, I guess my entry point was just, all right, needs to go down to 32 now. Entry point at 32. We'll see if it can come down a bit more. There I'm in at 32 for a call. And out for $100 on that one. Very good. Let's come down some more. I'm going to change strike prices. What are you talking about strike prices? Again, comment below option guide. And I will link you to the guide that'll make those terminologies make more sense. So I'm now at 31. We'll see if this thing wants to come down some more. So it needs to come down just a tad bit more. All right, I will pause and I'll keep a close eye on it. Okay, maybe here. I got close, did not film me though. Yeah, bummer. That's the area I was trying to buy and a green candle there. But that just goes to show that, you know, trading is hard. I was right overall. I was right in the sense of it wanted to come down and then there would be a bounce. And there was a bounce, but notice I didn't make any money from it. Why? Because trading is more than just making broad statements and being right in a broad sense. So broad sense, I was totally right. But it's the finer things. You still got to get the entry point precisely right. You just can't say, well, I'm going to buy because it's going to go up. Oh, see, it went up and I would have bought. So I would have made money. No, where were you going to buy? Are you sure that buy level was accurate? And in this situation, it was not accurate. Therefore, I was right, broad sense, but I'm here twiddling my thumbs, didn't make any money on it. So that is why trading is definitely hard. You got to get the finer tuned details right also. So one trade so far, $100 on it. Let's see what else I can find. Have an order up. I'm in there at 34.50 for a call and out that fast for another $100. I don't even know if I captured the entry point on video. If I missed it, I apologize, but it sort of happened in the blink of an eye. So, all right, well, there's another, like I said, that was $100, and just to err on the side of caution, let's call it 2 seconds, because I know somebody would be like, technically, Clay, that was 1.2348 seconds. So we'll just cover, and to be fair to those people, they're right. They're very observant people, but I want to respect the very observant people out there. So we'll call it $100 in 2 seconds on that one. All right, I will pause. Let's see if I can get another call on this pullback. Have an order at 36 here for a put. Well, looks like I missed that one, so I'll cancel that out. So never mind. I will pause. Have an order at 29 here. In there at 29 for a put. out for $50 on that one. Very good. So just went down a little bit more on the scalp. Instead of going for 100, went for 50. Go 28 here on this one. Just double checking. All right, we'll see if this thing wants to keep pushing up. I'll be ready at 28. I will go ahead and please tell me I hit record. I was recording, right? All right, yeah, I was recording. All right, I'll pause. Well, on that note of it pulling back, I'm going to go ahead and call it good. It's 10:25, so not even an hour in. And if you've watched my videos, you know that usually I'm trying to cut it off for sure by 11:30, which would be 2 hours of my time. And then I like to try to average at least $100 an hour because that makes it at least worth my time as a side hustle. Because this is a side hustle for me. I have multiple streams of income. I encourage you to have multiple streams of income because I seek after what I would argue is the ultimate wealth, and that is freedom of the schedule. When you can look at your schedule and say, I can do whatever I want when I want to do it. There's a whole lot of, in my opinion, wealth that comes with that. But again, I am a father of 6 kids. So maybe your ultimate wealth is a private jet. And if that's what you want, if that's what your goal is, fantastic. Yes, you're going to need to make more than what I just made here. And I hope you can do that. But for me, I am perfectly happy with, like I said, ideally, if I'm getting up right around $100 an hour, worth it for a side hustle, especially if it's just a couple hours. But here, with commissions, let's call it about $245 in under 1 hour. Definitely worth my time. Like I said, when you sprinkle in the context of knowing that I have other streams of income flowing into my personal finances. So that is all I have for you. If you enjoy these, all right, let me take a step back. Once more, if you want to learn more about options, just comment below option guide and I will link you to that free class. And you can go and learn more. And also, if you want to learn more about technical trading, what I'm doing here, then I do offer a free class for that. And I'm going to transition to another video right now and share with you more information on how you can get signed up. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.